Hey everybody, welcome to your daily dose of financial best tips. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cashback apps and websites, your secret weapon to saving money in 2024. Listen, every dollar counts, and these platforms are literally putting money back in your pocket on purchases you're already making. We're talking about everything from groceries to online shopping, travel, and more. I'll break down the top players in the game, show you how they work, and reveal insider tips to maximize your savings. Let's get that money. First up is Rakuten, a veteran in the cashback game, and for good reason. Rakuten partners with over 2,500 stores, which means you have a ton of opportunities to earn. Signing up is super easy. Just head over to Rakuten.com and create a free account. Now here's where the magic happens. The Rakuten browser extension. Once installed, it'll alert you whenever you're on a website that offers cashback. Simply click Activate Cashback and you're good to go. Imagine shopping at your favorite stores like Amazon, Nike, or Sephora and getting a nice percentage back on your purchases. That's Rakuten in action. And the best part? Rakuten sends you actual checks or PayPal payments every quarter. No point system, just straight up cash. Next, we have Honey, the ultimate coupon finding sidekick. Honey is a browser extension that automatically scours the internet for the best coupon codes at checkout. No more wasting time copying and pasting codes. Honey does the heavy lifting for you. But wait, there's more. Honey also has a feature called Honey Gold, where you can earn cashback rewards on top of using coupons. Just look for the Honey Gold icon while shopping online. It's like a double whammy of savings. Let's say you're buying a new TV on Best Buy. Honey will automatically apply the best coupon code and then give you Honey Gold cashback on your purchase. It's a no-brainer, people. Alright, moving on to number 3 on our list, we've got Ibotta, and this one's a game changer, especially if you're big on groceries. We all gotta eat, right? With Ibotta, you earn cashback on everyday purchases, but the grocery section, that's where it really shines. See, Ibotta partners directly with tons of grocery stores and brands. So before you even hit the store, you browse through the app, add offers for things you're already planning to buy, and bam, cashback. It's like getting paid to do your regular shopping. We're talking about putting real money back in your pocket just for buying stuff you were going to get anyway. And the best part is, it works with other cashback apps. So stack those savings and watch your cashback balance grow even faster. Next up is Dosh, and this one is all about effortless cashback. Seriously, this one requires almost zero effort on your part. You link your credit or debit cards once, securely of course, and then just forget about it. Dosh runs in the background, automatically detecting when you make a purchase at one of their partner stores or restaurants. No scanning receipts, no searching for offers. It just does it all for you. Talk about passive income, right? It's perfect for busy folks who want to save money without jumping through hoops. Plus, Dosh partners with a variety of places, from big-name retailers to local spots, so there's a good chance you're already shopping at some of their partners. Now let's talk about Swagbucks, a true veteran in the cashback and rewards game. This one's not just about shopping, oh no, Swagbucks is like the Swiss Army knife of earning rewards. You can shop online, sure, but you can also answer surveys, watch videos, even play games, all while earning their currency called Swagbucks. It's a great way to rack up rewards quickly, especially if you've got some downtime and want to make the most of it. And when you're ready to cash out, they've got options, gift cards to your favorite stores, PayPal cash, you name it. They've been around forever for a reason. People love getting that free money, and Swagbucks is a fun and easy way to do it. Alright guys, let's talk TopCashback. This platform is known for having some of the highest cashback rates out there. We're talking potentially more money back in your pocket compared to some other sites. Now, navigating their website might take a minute to get used to, but trust me, it's worth it. I'll walk you through how to find the best deals and maximize your cashback. Plus, we'll compare TopCashback to some of the other players we've covered so you can see the difference in potential earnings. Remember, it's all about maximizing that cashback. Ever imagine getting rewarded just for stepping into your favorite stores? That's Shopkick in a nutshell. This app is unique because it combines both online and offline shopping to earn you rewards. We're talking earning kicks just for walking into stores like Target or Walmart, scanning specific items, or even making purchases. And the best part? You can redeem those kicks for gift cards to places like Amazon, Target, or even cash out. It's a fun way to earn a little something extra while you're out and about, so we'll break down exactly how it works. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to the top cashback apps and websites for 2024. We've covered everything from browser extensions like Honey to receipt scanning apps like Ibotta, and even platforms that reward you for your everyday shopping trips like Shopkick. Remember, every little bit adds up, and these apps can put some serious cash back in your pocket. Now don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments which app you're most excited to try. And hey, if you have any other cashback secrets, share those too. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.